How to make effective hand sanitizer at home that kills coronavirus. Coronaviruses like COVID-19 spread through human contact. And one of the best approaches to control its spread is by washing your hands. Hand sanitizer is similarly as viable at eliminating microorganisms and infections. And it's simpler to utilize when you're all over the place. Here's the way you can make your own hand sanitizer at home. A hand sanitizer is your best safeguard against infections when you're out getting things done and can't find a good place to wash your hands. As indicated by the CDC, the most ideal approach to remain secured is to wash your hands for 20 seconds in the wake of coming back from an open spot. When in doubt, you ought to abstain from contacting your nose, eyes, or mouth with unwashed hands. In case you're now utilizing a hand sanitizer, ensure it has at any rate 65% alcohol. There are some hand sanitizers that are without alcohol, and these won't be as successful in eliminating microscopic organisms and viruses. The right method for utilizing a hand sanitizer is to apply it generously to your hands and rub them together until the gel bubbles. Interest for hand sanitizers has shot through the rooftop in the wake of the coronavirus, and in case you're coming up short, you can without much of a stretch make some at home. Required ingredients for sanitizer. A hand sanitizer comprises of an entirely fundamental equation. And it's anything but difficult to make your own at home if your neighborhood drugstore or retailer is coming up short. These are the ingredients you'll require. Number 1. 150 ml 99% isopropyl alcohol. You can discover isopropyl alcohol at any drugstore or pharmacy if it's out of stock at Amazon. You can also find isopropyl alcohol at other online shopping sites, and you'll have the option to make a great deal of hand sanitizer with that. Number 2. 75 ml 92% aloe vera gel. You have to dilute the isopropyl alcohol with something. In light of the fact that on its own it will burn your hands. The perfect arrangement is aloe vera gel as it is natural moisturizer for skin. Number 3. 8 to 10 drops of natural oils. If you like, then you can add some aroma to the mixture. Get a pack of natural oils. This isn't required, however most pocket hand sanitizers nowadays have some scent. And in case you're utilized to the smell, it doesn't cost a lot to get a couple of fundamental oils. Number 4. A bowl and a spoon to combine everything. Number 5. Plastic bottle. Before you begin making your own hand sanitizer at home, there is a significant point to note. Isopropyl alcohol is highly combustible and will burn your skin should it come into direct contact with your hands. I prescribe utilizing nitrile gloves as a general safeguard. When you're prepared to begin, this is what you have to do. Number 1. Pour the isopropyl alcohol and aloe vera gel into the bowl. As hand sanitizers need to contain at any rate 60% alcohol to be compelling, you ought to in a perfect world keep up a 2:1 proportion of isopropyl alcohol to aloe vera gel. For each 4 oz of isopropyl liquor you include, you should blend 2 oz of aloe vera gel. Number 2. Add natural oils to the mixture if necessary. You don't really require natural oils. Yet in the event that you like a specific smell, you can include a couple of drops of oil. Number 3. Mix all ingredients together with a spoon and empty them into plastic containers using a funnel. Your hand sanitizer is ready to use. Washing hands with soap and water for in any event 20 seconds is simply the most ideal approach to shield. Utilizing sanitizer is unquestionably the second best alternative.